i-issuehan na kami ng writ of possession ng warehouse.
Meaning po,
Meaning, we are now entitled to take over the possession of the entire warehouse. Yung rinerentahan namin.
ay wala kontrata.
Kahit walang kontrata. But just to make it of record also, the president of PSI has also contacted me already. And he is willing to sit down again on further negotiations. Sabi ko, okay lang. Kasi hindi ko naman gusto rin na kaya kami nandun dahil walang kontrata at saka husgado. Ako, mas gusto ko pa rin na meron talagang kontrata kasi we don't also, naintindihan naman namin yung business aspect nila eh. Sabi ko lang, mas paramount lang yung public interest namin kaysa sa business interest nila.
Yung rate of possession po until yung ina-authorize ng court?
For 7 months, up to June of 2013. Yun ang usapan namin eh. Yun ang aming petition sa, grinant yata ng judge yung aming prayer for temporary possession pending the resolution of the merits of the temporary expropriation. Pareho rin naman ang effect eh.
And sir, immediate execution na daw po?
Oo naman, ang writ of possession is a provisional remedy. It is immediately issued after notice to the other party. Pero magkakaroon ng hearing ngayon yan. Pwede naman i-lift ng judge yun kung hindi tama yung aming petition. Pwede rin naman niyang i-grant na yung petition namin main, tuloy-tuloy na kami hanggang June 13. Or it can be rendered academic kung magkaroon kami ng kontrata in between. Or we settle the issue in between. Which is also a possibility now.